Hello everyone. So now in this session I am starting with a numerical. So in my previous lecture videos we had seen the Lamis concepts and numerical related to the Lamis concept. So I'll just brief about that. Lamis concept is nothing but a system of three forces. So whenever you find three forces, it says that one force is proportional to the sine of angle between the other two forces. Okay, so the question is three links A, B, B, C, C, D are carrying two loads under Newton and W at B and C as shown. The string AD is attached to the ceiling and calculate the tensions in the string AB, BC and CD. So you can see a ceiling here. In this a cable is been attached, a string is been attached, right? So from A point to D point there is a string, and in that in between you can watch a 100 Newton load and a W, right? So there will be there are three segments. This is A, B, B, C and C, D. So we have to find the tension in these three segments. So from this figure it is noted that there are they haven't given any angle, right? So you have to find the angle. For that case they have given a hint like dimensions. See this 1 meter, 0.5 meter, 0.6 meter distance, 1 meter, right? So you have to find the angle for this side as well as for this right angle to triangle. So from this diagram you need to calculate theta. Just assume it as theta 1 and this one as theta 2. And by using tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. 1 divided by 0.5. Tan theta 1 divided by 0.5 is nothing but theta 1 is some degrees. And theta 2 is equal to 1 divided by 0.6. Right? Using that just find theta 1 and theta 2. Now by applying the Lamis concept, right? First you apply Lamis concept in this B point. So if you apply the Lamis concept in the B point, or even you can select C point, but I am not going with C point. Why means, so if in the 3-force system at least one force you should know, right? So without knowing the answer for even one, there is without knowing about even one force, you cannot find other unknown forces. All three shouldn't be unknown. One at least should be a known force, right? So we shall select D. So just plot a FBD for that B point. So 100 Newton is hanging over B, and tension at BC, okay, it is towards C point, and tension towards A. This is TAB, and this is theta 1. Actually we have found theta 1, right? Okay. By applying Lamis concept you will get TAB divided by sine of 90. Why 90 means the angle between TBC and 100 Newton is 90 degree, one quadrant, right? And TBC divided by, see, TBC divided by the angle between other two quadrant is 90 plus theta 1, okay, and 100 Newton divided by 90 plus, sorry, this is 90 and this is theta 1. We don't know about this, right? So you can take it as 180, full is 180, right? 180 minus theta 1, okay, and then just solve it. While solving you will get to know, so TAB you take separately and TBC you take separately, and you will be getting the answer for TAB and TBC. So now TBC is known, right? With that we can proceed for the C point. So again draw the free body diagram, right? See, from the C point W is hanging, and TBC, and this one is TCD, right? So draw it, and see, by applying the Lamis concept you will get TBC divided by 90 plus theta 2, TCD divided by 90 sine 90 degrees, W divided by sine, see this is 180, so 180 minus theta 2, okay. In this TBC is known, just substitute from the first procedure TBC, and while substituting you will get W and TCD, okay. So the tension in the links AB and tension in the links BC is been found, right? And see, 3 tensions have been found as well as 1 W is also been found in this diagram by using the Lamis concept, right? Okay. So now I have another numerical. So we shall see this numerical. A block of weight 105 Newton hangs from the point C. AC is inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal and BC at 45 degrees to the vertical as shown in the figure. Determine the forces in the strings AC and BC. Okay, though so they have given a block. Okay, this block is having a weight of 105 Newton, hangs from the point C, hangs from a point C from C. AC is inclined at 60 degree. See, AC is inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal and BC 45 degrees to the vertical. Right. So this is vertical wall and this is horizontal wall. They have given a hint. For AC is to attach it to the horizontal wall of 60 degrees and BC is again attached to the vertical wall of 45 degrees to the vertical as shown in the figure A. Right. So we need to get determine the forces in the strings AC and BC. So in AC and BC we have to determine. Okay. First we shall look for how to draw the free body diagram. Okay. So they have given the hint that this is 60 degree means then alternate angles are equal. So sure the opposite, this alternate side will also be 60 degree. Right. Just plot it 60 60 and if this is 45 means and sure this particular side you just draw a perpendicular line now, this will be 45. If this is 45 means automatically this particular point will also be 45. Right. See 60 45 and this is 45. So 90 minus 60 will be 30 degrees. So 45 plus 30 is 75 degrees. That's why in the free body diagram they have given direct 75 degrees. Okay. And load of W 105 Newton is being acting at C point. See, W is equal to 105 Newton. Okay. And strings, this see strings, cables, ropes and all we have to draw tensile force, that is like forces getting away. So just draw a tensile force T1, tensile force T2. Okay, and 105 Newton now. Okay. So by using the Lami's concept, see T1 divided by sine of 90 plus 45 degrees, T2 divided by sine of 90 plus 60 degrees, 105 divided by sine of 75 degrees. So how I am saying means, see just take a single force. For example, you take T1. Okay, T1 divided by the angle between other two forces. See what is other two force? T2 and W. So the angle between these other two forces is 90 plus 45 and for W it is 75 degrees, the opposite angle. Right. T2 for T2 is 90 plus 60 degrees. Just write it in the equation. So with this one, see one is a known force and other two is an unknown force. Right. So you just equate the known and unknown force. Okay. T1 with this known, see unknown with a known and unknown with a known. If you equate you will get the answer for T1 and T2. Okay, this is how you need to find using the Lami's concept. So the very first thing what you have to do is while you are getting the question itself, you need to plot the free body diagram and you need to check whether the Lami's concept is available for this particular figures. For example, see here you have only 3 forces. So this is 3 force. While seeing only you will get to know. So you can apply Lami's concept here. But in the case if you can see another any one more force here means, then immediately it is not applicable for more than 3 forces or less than 3 forces also. Lami's is not at all applicable. In that case we have to use equilibrium conditions. Right. So just remember that the force is all proportional to the, if in the 3-force system a force is proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. So it is very well clearly explained in this 2 numericals. So in my next video I will be giving few more numericals. Thank you all.